Argan oil, known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, is effective in treating inflammatory skin conditions like psoriasis and rosacea, which can be effectively treated with oral supplements. Chamomile extract, rich in flavonoids, has anti-inflammatory properties, reducing skin redness and swelling, making it beneficial for sensitive or irritated skin, preventing dryness and flakiness. Apple seed oil is a natural alternative to chemical-laden skin care products, reducing inflammation, calming skin, and alleviating itching and burning associated with various skin conditions. Cloves are used for skin and scalp issues due to their antimicrobial, antioxidant, antiviral, anesthetic, and antiparasitic properties. They are often applied in clove oil to treat dandruff, cleanse the scalp, and reduce itching. Eugenol, an antioxidant, has dual antihistamine and pain-relieving effects. Coriander oil promotes healthy skin and can treat skin irritations like athlete's foot and ringworm. Its bactericidal and antifungal properties make it a great natural remedy. Coriander seeds also help with sunburns, peeling skin, and chapped lips. Their cooling and soothing properties calm the skin and reduce discomfort. Various skin diseases can be treated with camphor. It is effective on itching and irritation, acne, soothing burn injuries, eczema, nail fungus, cracked heels, and provides relief from pain. It is commonly used in various skin care products due to its beneficial attributes. Honey and cardamom seed powder face mask can effectively prevent acne breakouts by reducing skin irritation and promoting anti-inflammatory and cleansing effects. Chamomile oil with coconut oil to calm skin irritation, hydrate, and add radiance. This herbal medicine is effective in healing sunburns. Add a few drops to baths or cold compresses for quicker healing. Castor oil, rich in antibacterial ricinoleic acid, offers a dual-action approach to hydrate skin and combat bacteria, effectively addressing itching and irritation. Dry hair can cause itching, self-confidence issues, and hair fall. Natural remedies like rubbing the scalp with a bitter gourd slice and using a bitter gourd pack can alleviate these symptoms. Celery's anti-inflammatory properties can alleviate skin inflammation, redness, and irritation, making it an effective ingredient in celery-based products for skin soothing and texture enhancement. Almond oil's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties provide skin rebalance, reduce rashes, and soothe allergic reactions, making it an excellent daily massage. Clove oil is a popular skincare product due to its potential to treat atopic dermatitis, a condition causing dry, itchy skin. It relieves chronic itching and improves dry skin. Additionally, clove oil can reduce tired eyes, puffy skin, and stretch marks. Camphor, a substance with antibacterial and antifungal properties, is used to treat skin issues like itchiness and irritation, accelerate wound healing, and is used in beauty products as an anti-wrinkle component. It aids in wound healing by increasing collagen and elastin production in dermal fibroblasts, and is an effective anti-wrinkle ingredient. Almond oil is a non-irritant moisturizing solution for individuals with eczema, psoriasis, and dry skin conditions, effectively managing itchiness, inflammation, and irritation. Coriander oil is a soothing remedy for sensitive skin, providing relief from irritation and redness associated with various skin conditions. Its calming effects make it a natural solution for those seeking to alleviate discomfort from conditions like redness, itching, or inflammation. Camphor, an anti-inflammatory substance, effectively treats skin rashes caused by high heat and perspiration, particularly rough skin. Its compounds reduce rashes and alleviate redness rashes when used as topical itch-relieving gels, and repeated use clears up rashes and redness. Amla, a plant known for its anti-inflammatory properties, can alleviate skin irritation, reduce redness, calm allergic reactions, and alleviate sunburns. Bitter gourd, due to its blood-purifying properties, can effectively treat various skin infections and itching due to its purifying properties. Because of its blood-purifying properties, bitter gourd can cure all types of skin infections and itching.